What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Well, it's been a while since making a video, so I hope everything goes well. I hope the editing is gonna be turning out great. Let me know after the video in the comment section below if it was good or not, what you would change. But yeah, first we still have the Golf standing around here. It's totally empty right now. The full leather interior is in, so actually it's ready to go, but since everything that's happening now, I cannot get rid of it because people cannot come and take a look at it. So it's here sitting and waiting to be sold. But I have another fun project, the first mod to my Porsche, some yellow headlight bulbs. Why? We can't foil it, so we need to change the bulb because that is allowed. And I've been really thinking about what mods I could do to that car, which I like. This is one I really like. I didn't know it was still possible, but it is. You can get those bulbs, and it's a pretty cheap mod you can do to start modding your car. It isn't actually too hard because Porsche provides you with the tools you need to take the headlight out, because the whole headlight needs to come out. So this is the front of the car, in the front, and you take this down, and then in here you have some gloves, towing hook, tire repair set, pump, your wheel bolt lock. Actually, you also have this small plastic case in here, which, if I can get it open, actually holds the tools. So we have screwdriver, a size 10-13 I think it is, but we need this special tool. That's to get the headlight out, so that's what we're gonna do now. So first we need to undo this and pry trunk liner back. This might take a few turns. Like that. Pry it back. Just, well, so you can hold it like this. And we need to take the rubber out, put it inside, and then for this part I'm gonna need to put the camera down. So we have this small hole. In there is another small hole where we're gonna need to be putting the tool through. The tool will be needing to sit like this, with that part pointing to the car itself. So I took the light out without any explanation actually, but I'm gonna show you. So you start like this, then you're gonna pull the thing towards you to the bottom, so that's turning clockwise. You will hear a very, very loud click while doing that, and then the light will pop a little bit. The best thing is to then turn a quarter more, so the light comes up, and then turn it a quarter back down, so it's resting like that. And what's then happening here, so I hope you can see this, like this, with the metal rod, the light is locked, then you turn it and it unlocks, so now this one is hanging down. So and what you do then is turn a little bit more, so you pop the light, turn it back down, and that's just so it sits ready for the light to guide back in. You will need to aid it a little bit. You will shove it in, and then when it's almost in, you turn this back up, and while you're doing that, you will be also pushing the light a little bit. So I also took the opportunity between filming to check what light is under here. It's already said that on the cap, it's a H9. So those I will need to look for in yellow, but I already have the H7s for the spots, for the headlights. So I'm gonna change them now, see how it looks, and then I will be changing the rest of it, as will I be changing the fog lights and these daylight driving lights. These are one-piece LEDs. I cannot find them like that, so I will be wrapping those. That's the first bulb out, and I'm gonna be immediately replacing it with the yellow one. So let's try to open this up. So actually the hardest part about getting the light back in is finding the right guide rails, which sometimes prove to be a problem.
One eternity later.
And once you find the guide rails, it's really easy. It's already sitting like that, so push it in. Click, take the key out, and the light is back in nicely. So plug the hole up, that's okay. Get all of the fabric back under the rubber. So it actually should take you only about maybe 5 to 10 minutes for each headlight. So to show you that, I'm just going to put up the camera and change one at real-time speed so you can follow along. I will just play some music over it. I'm not going to talk, not going to give any instructions, so you can see how quick it goes. You can go and watch it back a few times, and in my opinion, mostly it's just seeing what you need to do is a lot more handy than hearing what you need to do. So enjoy me changing the headlight. So that really didn't take that long. The light is already in, and well, I'm not really able to check the timing on that right now. Well, I did 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So for changing a headlight bulb on this car, that's not really too long, taking into account the whole headlight needs to come out. So what I'm gonna do right now is clear this mess up a little bit, and then let's see how it looks. Well guys, this is how it looks with the yellow light, and well, the daytime running lights need to be yellow. That's what I said before. It really doesn't look that great. In the camera, they don't really look that yellow, but as you can see on the wall, they're nice and yellow, and I'm really happy on these cars. They made it so the lights are on separately, as with my Golf, the lights both were running at the same time, and that didn't look that great because you had a normal white light mixed with the yellow, and well, yeah, you kind of know how that looked. Wasn't that great, but well, this is a lot better. So I'm gonna rock this for a little bit. Gonna get myself a bit of yellow foil, yellow vinyl, to pull over those daytime running lights. And yeah, we'll need to find out which type of bulbs are for the fog lights. The other ones are the H9s, I know that. But guys, it was a short one, quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you a little bit. If it did, be sure to leave a like. Drop a comment down below on what you might want to see different in these videos. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Oh yeah, and sure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.